Hello, this is Henry, and I'd like to share my trades from today. First up, we have V. V, I observed setting up on the 30-minute, putting in a level here at 197.20 at 7 a.m. Again at 9 a.m. touching that level, and here at the 9:30 candle, we break out. And just for a little more definition, we'll see the ascending triangle forming right there. Entry on this one at 197.20. I had to stop at 197.09. Too tight a stop for this particular ticker today. It pulled back, stopped out. You can see here it puts in a nice double bottom here on the 15-minute, bouncing off of this this is the 20 EMA here on the 15, puts in a nice double bottom here at 196.55, and then and takes off and makes the move. Next up, we have MVTA. MVTA, I saw setting up on the 60-minute, putting in a level at 27.49. Zoom in. Here, putting in a level here at 27.49, here at the 8 a.m. candle. Again here at the 9 a.m. candle, and we break out here at the 10 a.m. candle. I'll come down to a smaller time frame so we can get a bit better definition here. So if we come down to the 30-minute, there we can start to see the ascending triangle form here. It breaks out of the 27.49 level. My entry was late at 27.51 is where I actually wound up getting filled, with the stop down here at 27.20. Yeah, with a stop down here at 27.20. Got a 2-to-1 up here at like 27.94. Took some out again here at about 28.10. Had my next target at 28.20. This candle got up to 28.19 before the ticker began to sell off and pull back here. And you can see it a little more clearly here on the 15-minute. Pretty good selling pressure. It comes down to the 9 EMA here on the 15 and 30 that coincide here. This actually came down to 51.50 within a half a cent of my entry. I stopped out here. And then if we go over to the 15-minute, you can see really nice trending volume as the buyers come back in at support here at this 15 and really buy it up and take it up about 2.5 points or more here. And then next up we have VNet. VNet I saw setting up on the 60-minute at 8 o'clock, putting in a level here at 22.50. Let's zoom in here. And here at 8 a.m., 22.50 to touch here. At 9 a.m., 22.50 to touch here. And then 10 a.m., you can see we break out. I'll come down to the 30-minute for some more definition. And we'll see here. Actually, let's get a little tighter on that. There we go. And you can see here the triangle forming here on the 30. Took an entry here at 48 on some pullback. I had a stop at 25. And then I'm taking partials up here at 2-to-1. And then probably around about every 10 cents or so, more or less. And wound up riding this one all the way at the top of this candle here at 24. And got all out right here. Those are my trades for today. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them in the section below. Thanks for checking out my trades and happy trading.